Hey, ¿qué pasó, vatos locos? Welcome to John's Moto Garage. I'm John. This is where we buy, ride, and sell motos. I keep getting tons of people hitting me up saying, dude, what happened to the Suzuki Boulevard C109RT that I don't see sitting in the garage anymore? Yeah, you know who you guys are. So today we're going to be going over the numbers on that bike because I actually did end up selling it. And so I think it's fitting. We'll take the Hayabusa, another Suzuki beast of a motorcycle. We'll take that for a spin and go over the numbers on the Boulevard C109RT. How much money was made? Was any money made? Or did I just take a massive loss on the bike? First, we'll have to see if we can actually get out of the garage. Careful. Careful. There she goes. Alright, you guys, let's jump into it. Alright, so if you're just tuning in for the first time or you're a newbie to the channel, whatever the case may be, this is where we buy, ride, and sell motorcycles. If you haven't already, check out my other videos. I'm sitting atop a 2008 Suzuki Hayabusa. This thing is dope. It's a complete blast. I'll be getting a video up shortly, if it's not already on there, where I pick up this bike, take it for a spin, all that good stuff. But today, we're going to be talking the numbers on the Suzuki Boulevard C109RT. So spoiler alert, if you haven't watched that video, go check out that video. Come on, you guys. You're way behind the 8-ball here. Dang it, I need gas too. Let's go get gas. Alright, we're gonna get some gas and we're gonna talk numbers on the 2008 Suzuki Boulevard C109R motorcycle that I sold. Check out the video where I buy that bike, where I do the review on the bike. That thing was such a monster, 117 freaking horsepower on a cruiser. That's unheard of. People do wheelies on those M109Rs, and like I said, now we're sitting atop of Suzuki Hayabusa, so it all runs in the blood of the Suzuki line. That bike I was able to pick up for $4,300. I wasn't certain with that purchase whether or not I was getting a good deal. There were a few things I was hesitant about. I knew it needed a rear tire, and I just never owned one before, so I went in very conservative. I sold that thing in about just under 2 weeks, I believe, and I ended up getting $5,100 cold, hard cash for that bike. Honestly, the dude probably would have paid full price, but he kept, coming back asking if I would go any lower. I guess I should say I listed it initially at like $5,700. Didn't get a ton of activity in the whole 2 days that it was listed. And so I lowered it down to 53. And once I lowered the price to $5,300, I had people hit me up left and right. Hey, I want the bike, save the bike, hold the bike, don't sell the bike. I said, yo, first with cash, first serve, cash is king, as goes the story. So anyway, this dude hit me up, and I told him I was firm on the price, and that I had a lot of interest. He said he was going to come out. He came when he said he was going to come, and he did end up, asking if I could go any lower, because not to piss off the wifey, which is classic excuse. I've used that one before, everybody uses the wifey excuse. I'll negotiate a little bit. So I gave him $200 off because I knew, I was going to need that new rear tire. So I said, here, for what it's worth, $200 off, go get yourself a new rear tire or appease the wifey, man. This thing's a monster. I'm one of those guys, I rev the engine just to look cool. Alright, let's get some gas in this thing. Hold on a second, you guys can't get all my banking details. You always got to go the premium on these guys. This is a premium machine. As you can see, it's turning heads. Everybody loves checking out the Hayabusa, man. This thing's a beast. Dude, it's broken. The gas cap won't stay open. I don't know what's wrong, you guys. Nice lady letting me go. Well, I should hardly say lady, she was a pretty young girl. But anyway, back to the story, you guys. We're wasting time here, bro. Time is money. Time is money. Alright, so back to the story. Suzuki Boulevard C109RT. Real cool guy. Oh, he shows up. He's got like the dopest mohawk I've ever seen. And I didn't tell him over the phone that I would give him a discount. But once he showed up in person and I met him, I thought he seemed like a cool dude. So I said, yeah, I'll give you the money off. So I sold the bike. I bought the bike for 43 hundo, sold it for 51 hundo. I can't do math while I'm riding a motorcycle, you guys. You know I can't multitask like that. Anybody? Bueller? Bueller. All I hear are crickets out here. All right, hold on, you guys. Come on, somebody's got to have the answer for me. Let's see. All right, 5100 minus 43 hundo equals, bam, there you have it. 800 bucks cold hard cash. Again, that one we had for, let's just say 2 weeks. So many of you may be asking, dude, if it's such a rare bike, man, and you've wanted one for so long, then why didn't you keep it? And the answer is, just wasn't my style, you know? And I knew I wasn't gonna keep that one, but I have it now in the portfolio. All right, so the question, can you really make money buying and selling motos on the side off of Craigslist? And the answer is, depends. If you know what you're doing, yes. It is possible. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. That was the Suzuki C109RT numbers, how much I was able to make on that bike. It was a blast. It was a fun bike. I'm glad I owned it. I'm glad I could say that I've ridden the monster, and I'm glad it's gone. So, all in all, good day. Hit me up on the next one, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. John's Moto Garage. Woo-hoo!